What if the success of a prosthesis depends more on the soul than the mechanics? This research, featured in Neurology, Research and Surgery, is authored by Julian Y. Ungar-Sargon of the Bora College of Health Sciences. Since 1977, literature has emphasized that a physical prosthesis must become a psychically invested aspect or extension of self to be successful. It is not merely a mechanical fit, it is a psychological process by which the amputee invests the device with selfhood. This essay proposes that a similar architecture describes the spiritual reconstruction that occurs after trauma and PTSD. What fills the absence of the pre-traumatic self is the spiritual prosthesis, integrated through 5 distinct parallel axes. This framework collapses the asymmetry between physical and spiritual integration, offering new paths for trauma-informed hermeneutic medicine. To explore the full manuscript and its clinical implications, visit our website today.